We're gonna do a fire drill number 2. We're gonna test the fire alarm in Giselle's house. Huh? Make sure to take this key, and it's wired to a Gentex Commander 3, so... Yeah, this Gentex Commander 3 is really loud. If you don't want to do it, just stay down. Or if you want to key activate, it's okay. Oh no, let me silence this up. Silenced. Alright. And let's resetting the system. Let's go ahead and key activate it again. Wow. Alright, here we go. Alright. Wired to a Gentex Commander 3 alarm. All the different icons on the Giselle's house system, or the fire alarm system, which is the pole station, and Gentex Commander 3, they're all connected to the system. So let's pull. Remember, do you know Giselle's my girlfriend, okay? Giselle is still my girlfriend, so I have her phone number. So I'm marrying her when I'm going to be 17 years old, so yeah, let's go ahead and pull it. Alright, testing. Because now reset the system. There you go. Alright, just make sure it's on. This Gentex Commander 3 is on 60 Candela, and it's the red Gentex Commander 3 with the red body with a clear strobe, but it looks like a New York style one. So this is New York, so this is a New York style exit sign. I mean, sorry, a Gentex Commander 3, but the exit sign's up on the wall. See that? Basically, when you pull the alarm, you exit the house, and you do this. But you have to exit the thing, so, yeah. Okay, let's reset this. Okay. Reset the system, because all the system has been reset. So let's go ahead and just deactivate it. Or it's just okay, but it's gonna have to do a Gentex Commander 3 alarm. It's just a horn strobe. As you can see, this one says Gentex. This is where the logo is. Oh no, I think I pulled the alarm in an accident. That's weird. Remember, this is my fire drill in Giselle's house. So never pull fire alarms unless either your own or you have permission, or it's an actual fire. Alright? So thank you for watching. Remember, the alarm didn't go off today. So, yeah, the alarm did go off today at Giselle's house. Because I was the one who pulled it. Because I conduct the fire drill, so yeah. Thank you for watching.